YouTube, TikTok, Instagram was good, Joe. Welcome back to Tech by E, the IT roadmap, where I show you how to get to IT. I show you everything when it comes to IT, how to break into IT, what are the different troubleshooting steps you need to know as an IT professional, and these different IT tools, everything IT. You guys like videos like this. I can't even talk. You guys like videos like these, you know what I'm saying? How I landed, my first job as a network, as a knock, how to apply for IT jobs on LinkedIn, my latest salary as a IT, as a knock analyst, day in the life as a knock, how to utilize ticketing systems and stuff like that. I got a plethora of videos, guys. If you guys like videos like these, like, comment, subscribe. At the time of this recording, guys, we're at 152 subscribers, guys. Each and one of you guys has contributed to the club and has contributed to the crew. Alright? So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna go on my other screen right here. 1 second. Boom. So, what remoting software tools that an IT professional would use on a day-to-day when it comes to remoting into a customer or a user or a client's computer? Well, me personally, I'm a big fan of AnyDesk. Okay, I use AnyDesk all the time when I'm remoting into different clients' computers. If I'm doing, technical support, IT service desk, whatever you want to call it, for like businesses and stuff like that require me to remote to their computer, I use AnyDesk. Reason being is because AnyDesk is very free. It's free, and it's a robust software. Me personally, I find it to be better than TeamViewer. Right, so this is how it looks like. Okay, right here, I got my my Lenovo here, so I'm gonna try remoting into here in a few minutes. But essentially, this remote software allows me, to remote into anybody's computer that has AnyDesk, right? And how I would do it is, I would get the customer, the user in question, to download AnyDesk on their computer. They would download it, right? They would go on to anydesk.com, right, /en/download Windows, and then whatever operating systems that they got. Most people have Windows, some people have Mac, Android, iOS, all this Linux, all this stuff, right? Raspberry Pi. I would just get them to download it. Once they got it downloaded, it's gonna look like something like this, right? And they would just have to share their address, and I would enter in the address in question. So I'm gonna open it up on here. You feel me? And I got an address right here. All right. So I'm gonna enter it. All right. I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. All right. Okay. So I'll enter in this password. Boom. And then I'm gonna get a pop-up on my screen right here saying that I want to see. So it's saying that the administrator wants to connect here. I'm gonna click on accept, and boom, I'm straight inside my own computer. Okay, I can send a message to the person in question, whatever. But as you guys can see, I'm in, and I'm able to control this computer and do whatever troubleshooting steps that I need to do on this computer. All right, so if they're like, oh, I'm having Wi-Fi issues or whatnot, you could go on here and fix their Wi-Fi. Or they're having issues with anything, you can just go to settings like a regular IT administrator or a regular whatever your job title is, and you can just do whatever you need to do within their computer and stuff like that. You feel me? Now I'm in my computer and I can perform troubleshooting steps, right? Very easy to do. And then once I'm done, I just close the session and I'm out. Very easy, simple way of doing things, guys. All right. Most people, and I don't really know anybody that really uses AnyDesk, but AnyDesk is free. So this is the number one remoting tool that I use. You can use, most companies where I used to work use TeamViewer to remote. All right. So where I used to work in numerous IT service desk position in IT in general, I would use TeamViewer most of the times. However, I don't really like TeamViewer because TeamViewer is not the safest nor the best when it comes to remoting in. So if I were to like download TeamViewer, I just want to show you guys how it looks like. So I download it, boom, go into here, Windows download TeamViewer. This is how the new TeamViewer looks like. Okay, I'm just gonna show you what it used to look like. Okay, so let's just download TeamViewer real quick. All right, it's gonna take some time, but these are the type of things that you guys should know how to utilize, because you're gonna be utilizing this every single day in your IT position. So it's just downloading, boom, I accept, continue, and then it's gonna open up, unless it's just taking some time. It should open. I don't know why it didn't open. Okay, anyways, okay, this is TeamViewer right here. Alright, so this is what the new interface looks like, apparently. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me make myself smaller. Alright, this is what the new interface looks like, okay? But what I'm accustomed to, because I used to use TeamViewer a lot, is that the old version, this is what it would look like. So you would enter in the remote, their ID. You be on a call or whatever, or sometimes on Teams, and you set up a schedule like, hey, the customer wants, the user wants this, that done at a certain time. You book them in your calendar, and then you call them and be like, yo, what's your ID? Remote that way, and boom, you're in, right? Same concept. However, from my experience, TeamViewer is not the best. It is not that friendly, and it bugs a lot, and there's a lot of security breaches in my, from my experience. Okay, so this TeamViewer. Another one that we used to use was called DameWare. I wonder if I can download it. Yeah, so I don't know if it's free actually, and it's not even that. It's was it that DameWare? So we used to use DameWare. What do you call it? DameWare. I think it was that. It just looks different for some reason. Yeah, so you can like get a free trial or whatever. Download DameWare. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, I don't want to put all this information. It's gonna take some time. Alright, so anyways, we used to use DameWare. If I were to show you an image, okay, it looked exactly like this, more like this. Why does it look old? It was not this old, but it was more so something like, yeah, there you go. Okay, we used to use something like this called DameWare, where we would remote into the user's computer. It would look exactly like this, and that's what we would use to remote into, the customer's computer, the user's computer, and then and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it was very much cool, very much easy to do. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. So yeah, anyways, that's just a quick video on, IT remote softwares that you're going to use in the IT environment day to day. If you guys like videos like these, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew, because we growing up in here, guys. Hey, do I need to repeat myself, guys? Guys, we're at, hold on, wrong screen. Guys, we're at 152 subscribers, guys. Like, that's pretty much crazy, bro. 152 subscribers, guys. Each and one of you guys has contributed to the club and has contributed to the crew, and it's crazy how I'm already at 152 subscribers, guys. Alright, so we out. Peace.